Hello there and welcome. LivePortrait has seen some rapid updates in the last few weeks, including video to video, humans mode, animals mode, a whole host of tweaks and improvements, and all importantly the long awaited one-click installer for Windows using the Gradio Web UI in your browser. In this video, I'll walk you through the quick and easy way to install the latest version of LivePortrait locally on your Windows PC using the one-click installer for Windows. So let's crack on. Open the official LivePortrait HuggingFace Windows page in your browser. I'll leave the URL link in the description below for you. Select the Files and Versions tab. Here you'll find all the Windows file versions with the date at the end of the file name. Find the latest version, which in this case is currently version 2024-0806. Click the Download File icon to the right of the file name to download the file. On the Save As window, navigate to where you want to save the file. I'll select my E drive and then click Save. Once the file has finished downloading, navigate to your download location, which for me is my E drive. You'll see the downloaded LivePortrait Windows zip file in there. The extracted file is large, at just under 9 gigs. The built-in Windows extraction tool will be slow and struggle to unzip this size file, so I'll use 7-zip instead. 7-zip is an excellent and completely free zip tool, so if you haven't got it, then you should go ahead and download it. I'll leave the URL link to the official download page in the description below for you. Anyway, right-click the file, then select Show More Options, then 7-zip. Then I'll select Extract to the LivePortrait folder name to keep all the files and folders in a parent folder for this specific version. Eventually, the file will be extracted. Once the file has been extracted, you can select the downloaded zip file and delete it to save some hard disk space. Open the LivePortrait parent folder and you'll see all the extracted files and folders in there. If you're used to the earliest versions of LivePortrait, then you'll notice a difference here. You no longer need to run LivePortrait using commands in the command prompt window, but instead use the run.bat file that's included. However, since literally a few days ago, there are now dedicated run modes for face animation for either humans or animals. If you want to run LivePortrait for humans, then you just double click the run Windows human.bat file. If you want to run LivePortrait for animals, then you just double click the run Windows animal.bat file. Let's run it in humans mode. Double click the humans.bat file. Eventually, LivePortrait will launch in humans mode with the Gradio Web UI in your browser. If you want to run LivePortrait for animals, then you just double click the run Windows animal.bat file instead of the humans.bat file. Now you know the much quicker and easier way to install the latest version of LivePortrait locally on your Windows PC using the one-click installer for Windows. Anyway, hope you found this video helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one.